but an unexpected change. We bought a house. We closed yesterday, and I leave for graduate school this week, and we go on a family trip after grad school, and then we come back and move. So it has been a bit wild, to say the least. So I know I've been MIA a little bit, so I really appreciate you for coming back if you've been around, and joining if you're new. So thanks. We're gonna go over the most recent cloth and paper unboxing, and it looks like the first one is a tracker, which is great, a habit tracker, almost sticky note for 100 days. I'm absolutely going to use these, especially because my habit tracker is going to be a little too chunky to take with me. And I have a huge habit tracker on the wall that I've been using between our honeymoon and this coming Sunday, just with some goals I've been tracking. Comprehensive daily nutrition, super interested to try this. It's basically vitamins. I'll probably be taking this with me on the trip for use for school, because it's going to be a lot of very, very full days. I always like when we get pens in the subscription box, because I canceled my Penspiration box to save some cash, and I miss it from time to time. Maybe it's just pen hoarding. Let me see if I can do this on the side so I'm not, there we go. It's so loud in the speaker, but they're really nice quality pens. I have a couple of these, so as long as they're black ink, I'll be like super thrilled with them. And these look like refills, so I'll probably just leave them in this little bag so I don't confuse them with the other ones. So that's nice. More cloth bags that I feel like are wasted. Well-being. I think I have this from another one. No, wellness was the other one. Oh, wellness log. Okay, so whole dashboard. This is look like you're on a journey, which is interesting that this is coming out in like September. Wake up, hours, mood. This is great. Someone at one point asked me why I don't put my habit tracker in my planner, and I haven't done that just because I really like having it separate with how much I track, and I just like having everything separate, but I might throw a couple of these in, given that I'm going to be condensed this week coming up. Activity tracker. It looks like the to-do list, honestly, like the daily tracker. So it doesn't look any different than the dailies. It's still nice though. I mean, you can just easily cover up activity tracker and you would have no idea that it was for activities specifically, which is kind of nice. I just don't see this geared towards activities. I still like it. Okay, that's gonna have to be a task for another minute. What else do we have? Recipe card set. Looks pretty standard. Recipe cards and container. Yeah, card count, dividers, label, which maybe I'll use in the new house. Nice and slick in the kitchen. But I don't know, we tend to eat like the same exact thing all the time. Oh, looks like this is for the tracker, which is nice. Icons for fitness and habits. And what's last? So a quick little box. It was a smaller one. Still a lot of good content, but it seems like a lot of like hefty size content. Wellness is a connection of paths, knowledge, and action. I like that. Motivation, love that. Habit, that's great. October, if you want to laminate that. Oh, all about athletic greens. That's cool. I'll read about that. So check those out if maybe you don't have the box, but you want to give it a shot. Super greens are really just vitamins, but I'm all up for health. That's kind of pretty. It looks almost a little purple rather than gray. But I like wellness. I was starting to say it's not often like an August thing or September. I guess I'm so used to seeing these as like mid-year reset or New Year's resolution, something like that. So it's kind of nice to see it a little earlier than that. It'll kind of maybe keep you on track before you go off track for the holidays. But that's it. I know that was pretty quick, but they're pretty hefty items in this box. But thanks for joining. If you're new here, share the video if you think it was helpful. Leave comments below if you have any questions or recommendations for videos. I do want to get to my planner system, but that'll probably be another video when I get back, probably towards the end of September. So stick around for that. It'll probably be a long, chatty one. So I hope I get to see you there. And as always, you're important, you matter, and thank you for your time because it is absolutely so precious. So thank you for spending it with me. Bye.